United States Fish and Wildlife advised us here on Smith Lake that we had a threatened type turtle on our lake. Now that we have this turtle, we had to find a new way of doing business. That has taken us to this method in areas that we have found to be sensitive, or where we call good habitat for the flattened musk turtle, and we're having to use different methods now to allow people to control erosion. As you see here, this is one of the models that was recently built to show the contractors around the lake and some of the homeowners one of the models that we will be asking them to use in these areas that are sensitive or have been determined to be good habitat for the flattened musk turtle.
We were putting together an enhancement and protection plan for the turtle, and part of that, most of that plan dealt with habitat protection or enhancement. And we talked with Chris Metcalf from Coastal Hydrology, and Chris came up. We met with him, took him around the lake, and we identified some really good habitat areas, and then got to this point to where we're putting in the demonstration project in hopes that it would be something that anybody, any landowner or contractor could come here anytime and look at this and say, well, okay, I can understand what they're trying to do now. Instead of looking at the plan, they can look at it on the ground and have a better feel for what we're trying to do.
The general concept behind the shoreline enhancement is that what turtles tend to like is they like these crevices and crevice habitats. Anything that can be built where you have a rough 3, 4, 5 feet wide by 4 to 6 inches high and roughly 12 to 16 inches deep, if you can create that kind of habitat up and down the shoreline, that's the best quality habitat that we've seen on the lake and what we've modeled. That's really what the turtles would like and prefer, and that's the kind of habitat that Alabama Power is promoting and trying to install.